Go in there, guys. Here we have our 12 volt 9600 mAh power bank. Very handy product if you need to put power to something. So we quite often use these for like forklift like cameras, or places where you can't really run cables, and you can use this to power it. So we have a device. You'll be able to see all the measurements on the page, a magnet on the back. It has an antenna up here because it's got an off and on button here. So you hold this down, turns it on. You can see the amount of charge it has up by the LEDs, but you also get a remote in the kit. So you can turn it off and on with the remote. So that could be handy to have sort of actually mounted, just to turn the battery off and on if it is in a hard location. So again, plenty of sort of use cases for this, but that is how it works. In here you've got a DC 12 volt plug coming out of here, pretty common pin there, and a charge cable, which is a USB-C. That is how you charge a device. That's just a waterproof cover for that. Comes with a charger, pretty straightforward, USB-C. It is putting out either 5 volt or 2 amp to charge this. Then it also in the pack, it does come with some screws and like a metal bracket. That is if the area you're mounting it on is not steel already. So if it isn't steel already, you can use this to mount the magnet on there to give yourself a battery. Again, if you do need to extend this, you could use it just like a DC extension cable to get the power a bit further away. That's basically getting the kit, and that is it there.